Welcome to Hotel Transylvania.
Today we have a Super Giant Dracula Egg full of surprises. And we also have 2 small Playdoh Dracula surprise eggs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more fun videos. Now let's open our Giant Dracula surprise egg. Wow, lots of surprises. Let's see what our first surprise is. It's the 2 skeletons. I think these 2 skeletons missed the party. But that's okay, they'll just party by themselves. Let's see what we have next. Wow, it's 3 collectible Zombiezz figures from Series 1. Each one of these Zombiezz figures hides a secret feature. Here we have Captain Maggot. Captain Maggot has a huge maggot coming out of his eye socket. His secret feature is that his hat comes off to reveal a removable brain ball. That's pretty cool. Next we have MC Brains. He looks like a zombie rapper. His secret feature is that he has LED lights inside of his translucent head. And if we press that button, we can make his head light up. Let's give it a try. Wow, that's really cool. Now let's try it with the lights off. Awesome, that's a lot better. That was a really nice feature. Our last zombie figure is Dead Weight. His secret feature is that part of his head comes off to reveal a glued-in eraser. Let's take a closer look. His brain is the eraser. That's really neat. Let's see what our next surprise is. We got 3 Funko Pop toys. Our first figure is Frankenstein. Frankenstein is a green monster with bolts sticking out of his head. Next we have Jack Skellington. Jack Skellington is the Pumpkin King of Halloween Town. Our last figure is Dracula. Dracula is a vampire. Let's see what else we have. It's a set of spooky spoons. The first spooky spoon is the werewolf. The werewolf's tongue is the spoon. When the werewolf sticks his tongue out, the spoon comes out. Our next spooky spoon is the alien. The alien's eye is the spoon. You just pop the eye out to make the spoon come out. Our next spooky spoon is the ghost. This spooky spoon has a ghost attached to a ball and chain. Our last spooky spoon is the monster. This spooky spoon is the arm of a monster, and when the arm twitches, the spoon moves back and forth. That's a spooky set of spoons. Let's see what our next surprise is. It's the set of Hotel Transylvania toys from the McDonald's Happy Meal. Our first toy is Wayne. Wayne is the werewolf. Wayne can launch this disc from his mouth. That's awesome. Next we have Dennis. Here he's a baby vampire. His fangs come out when you press down on his hand. Here we have Frank. When you push down on his hand, his head rotates. Our next toy is Dracula.
Welcome to Hotel Transylvania.
That's really cool. If you press down on his arm, he welcomes you to Hotel Transylvania. Our next figure is Murray. Murray is a mummy and he loves to dance. Let's wind him up and watch him dance. How cute is this figure? Look at Murray dance. That was great. Our last figure is Mavis. Mavis is riding her bike. That was really cool. Let's see what we have next. It's the Walking Dead Funko Mystery Mini. Here we have Series 3. These are all of the figures that we can collect in Series 3. Let's see which one we got. We got a female zombie walker. There she is. Now it's time to see what's inside of our Dracula Play-Doh surprise eggs. And don't forget to give us a like by clicking the thumbs up below the video to the right if you like this video. It's the Garbage Pail Kid, Nasty Nick. And he's a baby vampire. Let's see what's inside of our second Dracula egg. It's the Garbage Pail Kid, Dead Ted. And he's a zombie. We had so much fun today with our Giant Dracula surprise egg. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click the thumbs up below and share with all of your friends. And let us know which surprise was your favorite in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel.